Okay, students, next we will discuss some CET points for series combination. Last time we derived, now we will go for some CET points for series combination of capacitors. CET points for series combination of capacitors. So last time we discussed these things. V1 is equal to Q by C1, V2 is equal to Q by C2 and V is equal to Q by Cs. This is the equation we written for first capacitor, this is the equation we written for second capacitor, and this is the equation we written for effective capacitance. Everywhere you have Q, Q, Q because charge on each capacitor is same and capacitors are connected in series combination. V1 is equal to Q by C1, V2 is equal to Q by C2, V is equal to Q by Cs. This is for first capacitor, this is for second capacitor, this is for effective capacitance, or else I can say in this way, these two equations we set up for figure 1 and this equation we set up for figure 2 with respect to our previous derivation. V1 is equal to Q by C1 or Q is equal to C1 V1. V2 is equal to Q by C2 or Q is equal to C2 V2. V is equal to Q by Cs or Q is equal to Cs V. Therefore Q is equal to C1 V1 or C2 V2 or Cs V. ये पूरे equations एक लाइन में लिखो. Q is equal to C1 V1, C2 V2 or Cs V. LHS are same. In all these LHS are same. Can you equate RHS? Q is equal to C1 V1 is equal to C2 V2 is equal to Cs V. पूरे LHS same है. RHS भी क्या करो सेम करो. Q is equal to C1 V1 is equal to C2 V2 is equal to Cs V. Let us consider first term and third term. Let us consider first term and third term, that is C1 V1 is equal to Cs V. C1 V1 is equal to Cs V. First term और third term consider कर रहे. Let us consider C1 V1 is equal to Cs V or V1 is equal to how much? V1 is equal to CSV divided by C1. CSV divided by C1. How much is CS? C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Last time we discussed CS is how much? C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2. ये वैल्यू यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करो divided by C1. CS का वैल्यू ये है. This entire thing is the value of CS divided by C1 into V. Rearranging the terms. C1 C2 divided by C1 into C1 plus C2 into V. C1 C1 get cancel. क्या होता है C1 C2 divided by C1 into C1 plus C2 into V. C1 C1 get cancel. Who remains? C2 C2 divided by C1 plus C2 into V. Left side V1. Therefore potential difference across first capacitor is equal to second capacitance divided by total capacitance into potential difference. How can we say? Potential difference across first capacitor is equal to second capacitance divided by total capacitance into V. V1 is equal to C2 divided by C1 plus C2 into V. यहाँ पे V1 बोलो तो यहाँ पे C2 है. ऐसे ही हम second और third term consider कर सकते हैं. Now we considered first and third term. We got V1 is equal to C2V divided by C1 plus C2. By considering second and third, we get V2 is equal to C1 divided by C1 plus C2 into V. देखो इधर V1 रहे तो इधर C2 है. अगर इधर V2 रहे तो इधर क्या रहते? C1. If here V1 is there, you got C2 in numerator. Similarly, left side V2 is there, C1 is there in numerator. V1 is equal to C2 divided by C1 plus C2 into V. Similarly, V2 is equal to C1 divided by C1 plus C2 into V. To get this equation, you got first and third term considered. To get this equation, you consider second term and third term. Simple things. Now go to second point. We derived in our derivation, two capacitors are connected in series. Now some students they are asking what happens when three capacitors are connected in series. In the case of three capacitors of capacitance C1, C2, C3 are in series. Then what happens? 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. यहाँ तक हम derive कर रहे थे. That is for 2. Now for 3 you put one term extra. 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. 1 by Cs as it is. How much is LCM? C1, C2, C3. Now in first term C1 यहाँ पे बचे कितने? C2, C3, C2, C3. यहाँ पे C1, C3. Last में C1, C2. Now rearrange the terms. 1 by Cs as it is. First term I will take C1, C2. ऐसा है. Can we take first term as C1, C2? Yes. Second term as C2, C3. Second. Third term, instead of writing C1, C3, can we take C3, C1? Because we want to arrange them cyclically. We want to arrange them cyclically. Instead of writing C1, C3, we written C3, C1. Meaning is same. 2 into 4 is nothing but 4 into 2. C1, C2 plus C2, C3 plus C3, C1 divided by C1, C2, C3. ये क्या है? रेसिप्रोकल है. 1 by CS है. 1 by CS. उसका CS by 1 क्या होता? CS by 1. ये भी उल्टा होते हैं. C1, C2, C3 goes to numerator divided by C1, C2 plus C2, C3 plus C3, C1. This is the expression for effective capacitance when three capacitors are connected in series. CS is equal to C1, C2, C3 divided by C1, C2 plus C2, C3 plus C3, C1 when three capacitors are connected in series. This is the expression for three capacitors of capacitance C1, C2, C3 are connected in series. CS is equal to C1, C2, C3 divided by C1, C2 plus C2, C3 plus C3, C1. This is all about basic mathematics. Next, if n identical capacitors, we don't want two capacitors are connected in 3. We don't want three capacitors are connected in 3. We are going to discuss n identical. Identical means same value. Identical का मतलब क्या होता? Same value. When n identical, n बोले तो maybe 50, maybe 100. When n identical, identical बोले तो same capacitors, each of capacitance C. एक एक capacitance का value क्या है? C है. Are connected in series. Then effective capacitance is CS is equal to C by n. वो कैसे? यहाँ पे C 2 माइक्रोफैरड है. ओके, ऐसा 2 माइक्रोफैरड कितने कैपेसिटर्स है? 10 कैपेसिटर्स है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 बिटवीन विच टर्मिनल्स A एंड B. ये भी 2 माइक्रोफैरड है. दिस इज ऑल्सो 2 माइक्रोफैरड. ऑल आर 2 माइक्रोफैरड. सब वैल्यूज क्या है? 2 माइक्रोफैरड ही है. Now how much is the effective capacitance between A and B? For this we have one formula. Which formula? CS. एक एक कैपेसिटेंस का वैल्यू कितना है? Each capacitance value is 2. कितने कैपेसिटर्स कंसिडर कर रहे हैं हम? 10. How much is 2 by 10? 0.2 microfarad is the effective capacitance between A and B. How much is effective capacitance between A and B? 0.2 microfarad. ये है. तो आपको ऐसा करें तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता. व्हेन यू आर सॉल्विंग लाइक दिस यू आर गेटिंग मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट स्टेप्स. रेगुलर मेथड से गए तो आपको बहुत डिफिकल्ट जाता है. सो सीईटी में कैसा करना? CS इज इक्वल टू C by n. रिमेंबर योर सेल्फ दिस फार्मूला इज ओनली फॉर आइडेंटिकल कैपेसिटर्स. CS इज इक्वल टू C by n. वी आर राइटिंग दिस फार्मूला ओनली फॉर आइडेंटिकल कैपेसिटर्स. बोले तो सेम वैल्यू रहना. C1 इज इक्वल टू C2 इज इक्वल टू C3. ऐसे कितने भी कैपेसिटर्स लो हर जगह C सेम रहना. इन सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन वी आर यूजिंग फार्मूला CS इज इक्वल टू C by n. लेट अस सी वन सिंपल फार्मूला. और एक सिंपल वे में बता दूं मैं. ये फार्मूला से आप कितना टाइम सेव कर सकते हैं. व्हेन यू नो CS इज इक्वल टू C by n, लॉट ऑफ टाइम यू कैन सेव इट. लेट अस सी हाउ. लेट अस टेक 2 capacitors. This is B, this is A, this is 2 microfarad, this is 2 microfarad. What is the formula for 2 capacitors connected in series? C1, C2 divided by C1, C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Now what happens? 2 into 2 divided by 2 microfarad plus 2 microfarad. 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2. 4. Now 2 into 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Now what is answer? 1 microfarad. आपको उससे easy होना बोले तो डायरेक्ट स्टेप्स में एक एक वैल्यू कितना है? C. Now how many number of capacitors you are connecting in series? Where n is the number of identical capacitors in series. This value is C value 2 divided by n value is 2. 2 by 2, 1. Now this saves a lot of time. अब ये सब कुछ लिख के आपको 1 माइक्रोफैरड आते हैं. ये लिखे तो आपको आंसर क्या आते हैं? डायरेक्टली 1 माइक्रोफैरड. वही ऐसा 3 कैपेसिटर्स लिए तो लेट अस सी. यू पुट अनदर कैपेसिटर एक्स्ट्रा 2 माइक्रोफैरड. ना व्हाट इज फार्मूला अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस? CS is equal to, according to this, C1, C2, C3. 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 2 into 2, 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2, 8 divided by 4 plus 4 plus 4. How much? 12. Now this is how much? 4 2s are 4, 3s are 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is nothing but 0.66 microfarad. This is the value. इतना सारा करे तो आपको, अगर शॉर्टकट में गए तो कितने होते? each capacitance value is how much? 2 microfarad. Okay. Now, like that, like 2 microfarad capacitor, how many capacitance you have? 1, 2, 3. How many identical capacitors you connected in series? Count them. 1, 2, 3. 2 by 3. Directly you are getting 0.66 microfarad. You see how much time you can save here. If you know this formula, one step you will get answer. If you don't know formula, you have to go for this old method. ये मेथड से करे तो टाइम ज्यादा लगते आपको, अगर ये डायरेक्ट फार्मूला करे तो आपको टाइम कम लगते. So if n identical capacitors, each of capacitance, remember yourself, this formula we can use only when identical capacitors are in series. Same capacitor value same रहना, तभी ये फार्मूला हम यूज कर सकते. If n identical capacitors, each of capacitance C are connected in series, then CS is equal to C by n. ये हो गया. Next point, the effective capacitance CS is always less than the effective capacitance CS is always less than the smallest capacitance in the combination. The effective capacitance CS is always less than the smallest capacitance in the combination. Combination में कितने हैं? Let us take C1 value 10 microfarad, C2 value कितना है? 20 microfarad. इसमें ये smallest है. Now CS is how much? C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. 10 into 20, 10 plus 20. Is it 200 divided by 30? 20 by 3, 6.6 microfarad. 20 by 3, 6.6. This 6.6 is less than 10 microfarad. ये 6.6 microfarad क्या है? Less than 10 microfarad. That's why in sentence what you can say? The effective capacitance CS is always less than the smallest capacitance in the combination. यहाँ पे C1 और C2 इसमें smallest कौन सा है? 10 है. तो इसका effective capacitance will be more than 10 or less than 10? Less than 10. You proved also. How much is CS? In this case you got CS is 6.6 microfarad, which is less than 10 microfarad. Actually, when you compare C1 C2, the smaller one is 10 microfarad. When you connected this C1 and C2 10 microfarad, 20 microfarad, whose effective capacitance is 6.6 microfarad in series combination, this 6.6 value is less than smaller capacitance, that is 10 microfarad. 6.6 is less than 10. इसलिए सेंटेंस में ऐसा बोल सकते हैं, the effective capacitance is always less than the smallest capacitance in the combination. Next point, the series combination of capacitors is used to obtain a lower value of effective capacitance. Lower value of effective capacitance using higher value of capacitance. So what is the next point? Fifth point, the series combination of capacitors is used to obtain a lower value of effective capacitance using higher values of capacitances. इसका मतलब क्या है? C1 is, let us take 5 microfarad. Okay. C2 value कितना है? 10 microfarad है. Whose CS is how much? 5 into 10, 5 plus 10. How much? 50 divided by 15. 50 divided by 15. Now we are getting 3.33. Nearly you are getting 3.33 microfarad. अब यहाँ पे क्या है? नियरली आर गेटिंग 3.3 माइक्रोफैरेड. दिस 3.3 इज मोर देन 5 और लेस देन 5? लेस देन 5 मीन्स हमारे को 5 माइक्रोफैरेड है, 10 माइक्रोफैरेड है, बट इन प्रैक्टिस हमारे को बहुत कम वैल्यू होना. वो टाइम पे हमारा डिमांड क्या है? वी हैव 5 माइक्रोफैरेड, वी हैव 10 माइक्रोफैरेड. आवर नीड, आवर रिक्वायरमेंट, हमारा जरूरत क्या है? हमारे को कम वैल्यू ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस होना. कम वैल्यू ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस होना बोले तो लेस वैल्यू ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस होना. व्हेन वी वांट लेस वैल्यू ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस, गो फॉर सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन. व्हाई? Finally, we are getting, when you connected 5 microfarad, 10 microfarad in series combination, the effective capacitance is 3.3. 3.3 is less than smallest value of capacitance. That's why the series combination of capacitors is used to obtain a lower value of capacitance using higher values of capacitance. Using higher value बोल रहे देखो. 3.3 इज लोअर वैल्यू ऑफ सी एस. हायर वैल्यूज यूज करें उससे 5 और 10 यूज करें. 5 माइक्रोफैरड 10 माइक्रोफैरड आर हायर वैल्यूज ऑफ इंडिविजुअल कैपेसिटर्स. 5 microfarad, 10 microfarad are the higher values of individual capacitors. When you connected them in series, whose effective capacitance is 3.3, which is less than both the values of C1 and C2. That's why in sentence we are saying like this: the series combination of capacitors is used to obtain a lower value of effective capacitance using higher values of capacitances. These all are the points we made for series combination of capacitors. These all are the points we made for series combination of the capacitors. Okay, is it clear? Yes, we can extend this formula for 3 capacitors also. Series combination of capacitor 3, 4, 5 n number of capacitors के लिए भी हम extend कर सकते हैं. end to end connection. ये भी देखो ये कितना टाइम सेविंग स्किल है. देखो 2 माइक्रोफैरड ऐसा 50 है. वो सब आप फार्मूला के जैसा कैलकुलेट करें तो बहुत टाइम लगता है. तो बेटर क्या करना, सी एस इज इक्वल टू सी बाई एन. एक एक वैल्यू कितना है, वो वैल्यू सी है, डिवाइड बाई नंबर ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स कितने हैं वो. व्हाट इज एन, नंबर ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स. व्हाट इज सी, आइडेंटिकल कैपेसिटर्स विच आर इन सीरीज. दिस सेव्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. देखो कितना टाइम सेव हो गया. केयरफुली देखो. 4th पॉइंट, 5th पॉइंट. ओके.